Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel and also on this video. And we are looking into real exam questions. So the next one that we need to cover today is Rugby Street to Marble Drive. So let's look into this. So these are 2 points, red and green point. So we always start from our green point and we move towards the red point. So we can see that we need to go towards the top, and also it's slightly on the left side of this green point that we have here. So let's look into this. Let me just click this. Okay, so let's zoom in. So that's where we are. So just to begin with, just click on this point. It's one way. So come down here and you go straight here, and then you turn left, and then you just keep going straight. From here we need to go up, so we can simply go up. We don't need to go around. We can simply go up from here. Okay, and then we'll just keep on going straight. Don't touch the sidelines. So we're going straight here, straight, straight, straight. So you're just gonna go straight all the way for now, because we know that the point is right on the top and there is nothing much here, as you can see. So just keep going straight, straight, straight all the way. So straight all the way. So don't just touch these sidelines, otherwise we are okay up to here. So it's still straight. So keep going straight. So we can zoom out a bit just to see where exactly we are. I'll just show you, because we are taking the same road at the moment. So just keep going straight here, straight here, straight again, straight, straight. Let's zoom out just to show you. So that's our point. So we are still on this, so we can carry on going straight, but we'll have to see if we can take something from here. So I'll just show you here. So for now, so we'll go straight from here, straight here. But from here, what we can do is we can get in here, right? And this is a one way, so we can get in here, and from here we can go inside here, and then we can go straight from here, straight here. If you would have stayed here, then we won't be able to come back here towards the point that we are going towards. So this is why I've taken the exit from that road. So we'll go straight, and from here I can come down and can go towards this side. The reason I'm doing this, let's zoom out what I'm trying to do here. So you can see that if I go from here, and then I can actually get onto this. So this is why I've come down here. So you always should zoom out just to see where exactly you are. Right, so you go straight here, straight, so you can come out from this, take this road. And then we need to go up, so from here we can go up. So just keep going straight. Straight all the way now. So we can see our point. This is a bit lengthy route. And then we can see the arrow there as well that we're going to take towards the towards our point. So we'll come down here. From this roundabout we'll take the exit here and come down here, and then we can simply click on this. So let's zoom out. It's a bit lengthy route, but there isn't much in there tricky, and you can see that it looks quite straight, and that's the most direct route. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.